another amazing update to share with you guys, and this one directly relates to workflows. Now you have the ability right within your workflows to add or to remove contacts as followers within your workflow actions. This feature allows businesses to automate the process of adding or removing followers from contacts, eliminating manual tasks and enhancing efficiency within the CRM. This is going to specifically relate to those people who are following and not necessarily an owner. And so I wanted to kind of just add that in so that I could give you guys a little bit of extra understanding on what a follower actually is. Now let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to streamline your processes. Users can seamlessly integrate actions to add or remove followers from contacts right within the workflows. So this is going to enhance all of that automation that you've already fallen in love with. This is going to also improve and enhance your organization. Now you can automate follower management to ensure that contacts are consistently updated with the relevant followers that need to be a part of what is happening. This is going to improve your efficiency. Businesses can now focus on more strategic tasks because they know that the right people are following this client along the journey. Now let's also talk about some practical use cases. Now, a business owner who's using the CRM to manage client contacts, this is going to really help them with that automated follower management. They can automatically add or remove followers. So those, again, are the people that need to maybe not necessarily own this contact, but need to be keeping track of things along the way. And they can do that based on specific criteria, such as the engagement level or the lead status, streamlining that contact management process to ensure that clients receive relevant updates without the need for manual intervention. So let me show you exactly where this is located. First of all, we are going to go ahead and create a workflow. This is a workflow actions. So you're going to go into automation, then into workflows, and then you're going to create a workflow. Of course, you can also do this from something that you've already created, and you can just update this action. So for what I'm going to be showing you guys, we're going to be starting from scratch. And we're going to go ahead and do the action. So this means you've already got a trigger in place. It's another reason why this will work on any of the workflows you already have in place. You can just simply add this new action in. So go ahead and click on the please select action. Well, it will be a plus, and then it will pop up as please select action. I really like to type things in so that I'm not searching, but you're going to go ahead and look for contact followers. So this is going to bring up both add contact followers and remove contact followers. Go ahead and select that either add or remove, and go ahead and we're going to be customizing those followers next. So we're going to go ahead and make sure those followers are completely updated. In this version, I have remove contact followers, but under the followers area, specifically under users, is where you're going to select those specific users within your CRM account. This feature simplifies contact management processes. It enhances organization and it boosts overall efficiency, empowering you as the user to focus on your core business activities and drive growth effectively. We hope you enjoy this feature update. Let us know if you need any help at all.